In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste an image in Notion. This is a quick and simple task, but it's incredibly useful when you want to build cleaner notes, organize visual references, or add screenshots directly into your workspace without needing to upload files manually. Once you know how it works, adding images to a Notion page becomes much faster. To begin, you'll need to copy the image you want to use. If the image is already on a website or in another app that allows copying, just right-click on the image and choose Copy Image. This places the image onto your clipboard so it's ready to paste. Another option is to take a screenshot and copy that to your clipboard instead. This is especially helpful if you only want part of your screen, like a section of a web page, a chart, or a visual example. As long as the screenshot is copied to your clipboard, Notion can usually accept it the same way as a copied image. Once your image has been copied, open the Notion page where you want it to appear. Make sure you're on the correct page before pasting, especially if you work across multiple documents or databases. This helps avoid placing the image in the wrong spot and having to move it afterward. Next, click exactly where you want the image to show up. This part matters because Notion will insert the image at the location of your cursor. If you're working inside a section of text, under a heading, or between blocks, placing your cursor carefully will help keep your page layout neat and organized. After that, paste the image by pressing Ctrl and V on your Windows keyboard. Notion should immediately insert the image into the page. In most cases, it will appear as an image block that you can move, resize, or position later if needed. If the image doesn't appear right away, give it a moment, especially if the file is large or your connection is slow. It can also help to make sure the image was actually copied correctly before pasting. If necessary, go back, copy the image again, and repeat the process. That's all there is to it. Copy the image, open your Notion page, click where you want it, and press Ctrl+V. It's a fast and efficient way to add visuals to your notes and keep your Notion pages more informative and easier to review.